What's up, y'all, and welcome back to yet another video. My name is Abby, and today I'm gonna be sharing how I get the best wash and goes, the best curl definition, defined, fine, all that in some lemon lime. Okay, sweeties, so let's get right into this video. I always like to start my wash and goes by washing my hair. So today I'm using the Main Choice shampoo. Love it. I love these products. They're a little bit pricey, but you know, a little goes a long way with these products. So I never mind using it because I use just a tad bit on each side, and look how much lather I got. My hair felt very, very, very soft. It didn't feel stripped of its moisture, and it did feel really clean right after using it. Once I rinse off that shampoo, I go ahead and condition my hair using the Main Choice Easy on the Curls conditioner. As of recently, I have been using their products, and I actually really like them. I just never bought them before because they were just a little bit out of my budget, but that's all good because now I get a little bit more money, so it's okay. You feel me? You feel me? All right. We are together. Make you want me 'cause I'm hot now. So after I condition and detangle my hair, I go ahead and apply my mask. And I'm also using a mask by the Main Choice. This is their deep strengthening and restorative mask treatment. I really did like it, and I left it in my hair for about 20-ish minutes. I kept it in while I finished my shower routine this day. And once I removed that, I went ahead and started styling my hair. And I used the Shea Moisture Coconut, dang, I forgot the name, but that one. I'm using that, and I'm spraying it all over my hair. As you see me doing here, I'm just spraying it all over. And then I like to kind of finger comb that into my hair and make sure that that leave-in conditioner gets in everywhere. And then once I do that, I like to go in with my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and just do the same thing. I just get a whole bunch, put it all over my hand, and just start applying it all over my hair. Now, I do this because it's just faster than getting out of the shower and going section by section and applying like 3-4 products at once. So I like to just apply my leave-in conditioner and my curl product or cream, whatever it is that you may be using, in the shower. So once I finish doing that, then is when I get out of the shower, and here my hair is already sectioned off. I like to apply some Eco Styler gel or any gel of your choice, but this is what works for me, and I use the Argon Oil gel. I apply it all over the section, and then I start dividing that section into smaller subsections. And then here is where the magic begins, okay? So I take my Denman Brush, and I've used this technique before. If you guys haven't seen that video where I discovered this technique, then just look at the iCard above and click that so you can see that video. It's actually really fun and entertaining. But I take my Denman Brush, and basically I just use like a tension method. So I hold my hair at the root, and then I pass the brush down. Not so aggressively, but I just like to apply some sort of tension while holding it so that the curl can be able to form using the Denman Brush. I don't know if that makes sense. So you see me, like, I hold it, and then you see how I pull the brush down, and then look how the curls form. They are just amazing. So this is me after I completed the back. And just, like, once I discovered this, I felt like my life was complete. Like, that's it. No, like, I'm never cutting my hair again because now I know how to make it cute, right? Because every time I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna keep cutting my hair because I don't know how to make this thing cute. But now, sweetie, this is the secret, and you can share it with the whole world because I'm okay with that, as long as your curl's gonna be popping just like mine. You feel me? But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. This is just me repeating the process. All I do is take my Denman Brush with all those products in my hair and just brush through my hair to define the curls. Yeah. I've been down so in love like. Then once I finish all of my hair, I just like to clump the curls together and just define it a little bit more. And I like to shake my hair a little bit too. And I actually let my hair air dry for about 30 minutes before I actually started diffusing. So My diffuser, I can give you guys the link to that also in the description box below, but I got this diffuser off of Amazon and I've had it for the past 2 years and it has never failed me. And I do use my diffuser on medium heat. I switch between medium heat and high heat. I know a lot of people say that heat brings a lot of frizz, but it just works for me. I don't know why. And I think the cool air just doesn't dry my hair fast enough, and I ain't got the time. So yeah, after I diffuse, I just like to blow dry, especially at the root, to fluff the hair out a little bit. And then I take some oil and I place it all over my hair to relieve that crunch that it got from the gel. I take my pick through the root, get it all cute. Ooh, that rhymed. And that's it, guys. That's really what I do to get my hair super defined, super cute. Like, look at that. You can't tell me I don't look cute. You can't, girl. Okay. All right. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope that this was helpful. Peace.